Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the while loop. We already studied the for loop. Let's go through the definition. While loop is a loop which executes a statement or group of statements until the particular condition reach false. It checks the condition in the beginning of the loop itself. So we can call the while loop as entry control loop. Syntax of while loop. Here, the while is the keyword, while the condition returns the boolean value. If condition is true, then statement while block will be executed until the condition reach false. Otherwise, this becomes the infinite loop. To clarify your idea about while loop, let's go through the example. This is the example of while loop. Here, this is the initialization process. Value 1 is assigned to integer variable I. This is the while keyword, and here it is the condition. It means this loop will be stopped when the I value will be 5. This is the incremental process. It increments I by 1 in each loop. Let's go for the output. Let's run this program. So here is the output. Now let's take a look at the third loop, do while loop. It executes the statement at least once. This is the same loop as the while loop statement. While condition reaches false, do while loop exit. Let's take a look at the syntax. This is the syntax of do while loop. Here do is the keyword. Incremental process which increments the variable, and at last it checks the condition. So do while loop is also called the exit control loop because it checks the condition at the end of the loop. To clarify your idea about do while loop, let's take a look at the example. In this example, this is the initialization process. Value 1 is assigned to integer variable I. Here is the statement which will be executed in every loop. This is the incremental process which increments variable I by value 1 in each loop. This is the conditional process. In do while loop, it checks the condition at the end of the loop, so it is called as the exit loop. So it is called as the exit control loop. Let's take a look at the output. Let's run this program. So this works same as the while loop. I hope now you have clear idea about the while and do while loop.